Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. So today I'm going to be showing you a Photoshop tutorial. Okay, with the background layer selected, open a new layer, select it. Okay, with your foreground colors white, change the white color to an orange yellow tone. Click on the deepest yellow, that's on the right side. Increase your brush size. After increasing your brush size, click on the center of the image, not making your round brush go overboard or near the borders. Change your foreground color to a more lightened yellow or orange tone as you've chosen. Now decrease your brush size, then click on the center of the previous brush you had placed on the image. Now repeat the process till you get the smallest brush at the center of your sun. Now on your keyboard, click Ctrl or Command T to transform the new layer image. Now move the center of the sun to your desired location. Now go to your blending options and select screen as your blending option. Okay, if there's too much of the effect, you can go to the opacity on the layer level and then reduce it to your desired liking. Okay, this is what we made. Here's the before and here's the after. Thanks for watching Teacher Photography. Remember to subscribe for more of these tutorials. Be dropping up next. Thank you.